How to do skin icing. Celebrities like Kate Moss and Lauren Conrad have been open about using skin icing as a cosmetic treatment for the face. Facial skin icing can help you wake up and afterwards feel refreshed like you've had a spa treatment. This process can minimize the appearance of pores and wrinkles, as well as increase blood flow for a healthy, glowing effect. Because ice soothes irritation, skin icing can also reduce acne and blemishes. Furthermore, it can treat inflammation associated with sprains, strains, and injuries. Holding ice to your face. Make ice cubes. Clean an ice cube tray and fill it with water. Place it on a flat spot in the freezer. Put it in the freezer overnight or until solid. Dilute rosewater or fresh lemon juice in ice cube trays for extra benefits. Rosewater acts as a toner which soothes, hydrates, and controls oil. It may also combat acne, sunburn, and skin aging. Lemon juice may improve the appearance of aging skin, freckles, dark spots, pimples, and oily skin. Another option is to freeze freshly brewed tea, such as green or chamomile, in cubes. Tea can reduce inflammation and may have anti-aging benefits. Decide when to apply the treatment. If you're icing your whole face, do so in the morning before putting on makeup. If you want to spot treat specific areas for acne, do so every other night before bed. Either way, clean your face first as you normally would. Treating acne at night helps your skin to heal and regenerate. Treating acne at night helps your skin to heal and regenerate. Wrap ice in a cloth. Place a few cubes of ice into gauze or a soft cloth, such as a fine handkerchief. Once the ice starts melting and the liquid wets the cloth a bit, apply the wrapped ice to your skin. Link to reference 8, greater than. If you don't want to use a cloth, wear gloves. Don't apply ice straight out of the freezer. This can damage capillaries. Place an extra soft cloth nearby. You'll want to have this ready for wiping any excess water that runs down your face. Apply ice to your face. Hold the ice against areas on your skin for 1 to 2 minutes, moving it in gentle circular motions. Do this on your chin, jawline, cheeks, forehead, nose, and below your nose. Don't apply the ice for longer than 15 minutes. Don't apply the ice for longer than 15 minutes. Apply beneficial skin products. Follow facial skin icing with skin products, if desired, such as moisturizer, toner, or acne treatment. For dry skin, creams are more moisturizing than lotions. Toner is a cleanser that can help with oily skin, E11, greater than.